Thank you, sir, for your valuable speech.
Projects worth lakhs of rupees are underway or completed. I wish this conference will show modern medicine has become possible only through this collaboration. In India, physicians and engineers have worked hand in hand. Doctors, human intelligence did not evolve merely to increase knowledge, but to create.
Thank you, Dr. Nitai.
Good morning to all. Sabko namaskar. I am Mukrundari. This conference, today's conference, Med Engage, jointly organized by two NIT, Manipur and Nagaland, and also Dental College, on biomedical innovation. It's really, you can say it's very, with a very profound pride and sort of you can say excitement. I'm here to say a few words. At the very outset, I'm very thankful to the very, what you can say, engaging innovation, that collaboration between medical science and the NIT. At present, India is hosting a conference on AI, and we all talk about AI. Even the kids are talking about AI. So we cannot stay behind. So we are all here on this very engaging theme. Med Engage, and I asked our principal whether principal dental college is it a event, series of events, or what we are doing. So he suggested that this is the first of its kind, and this will be more or less a yearly event. I'm very thrilled that one day I will be in the front of doing some high innovation works, helping the patients and the world of innovation. The theme, uniting clinicians and engineers for biomedical innovation. We have seen COVID 5 years back, and we all have seen how India has come out as a leader in innovation. So I'm very proud to be, our director from NIT, Professor has suggested about the collaboration. So we'll be very happy to collaborate at any point. How and is or students, maybe be it on the dental side or the medical side, we will be very, very much interested in doing those things. In Manipur, we can say, even beyond Manipur, we are one of the largest healthcare provider. We cater lakhs of patients a year, and those are very big samples. Healthcare in 21st century stands in the intersection of medicine, technology, data science, human-centered design. The challenges we face, ranging from infectious diseases and non-communicable disease and trauma care, rural health access, you name it, so we have lots of issues, cannot be solved by one discipline alone. That demands collaboration, innovation, and shared purpose. As clinicians, we encounter real-world problems at the bedside every day, diagnostic limitations, equipment constraints, workflow inefficiencies, and pressing need of affordable solutions tailored to local contexts. Engineers, on the other hand, bring the tools of design, thinking, system optimization, material science, electronics, artificial intelligence, and device innovation. When these two worlds come together with mutual respect and a common goal, innovations become not only possible but transformative. Institutions like RIMS Imphal have always strived to serve as a center of excellence of medical education, patient care, research in the entire Northeast. However, the future of medical advancement lies in transcending traditional departmental silos. Conferences such as Med Engage create a platform where ideas can cross boundaries, where a clinician unmet need can spark an engineer's breakthrough solution. We must also remember that innovation in India must be context sensitive. Our solutions should be affordable, accessible, scalable, and sustainable. Biomedical innovation should not remain confined to high resource settings. It must reach district hospitals, primary health centers, and rural communities. Such real success of Men Engaged will be measured not only by publication of prototypes, but by the lives improved and saved. I would like to emphasize the importance of nurturing young minds to the students and early career professionals present here. This conference is an opportunity to think beyond textbooks and conventional pathways. Interdisciplinary collaborations is the future. Be curious, ask bold questions, challenge existing system, most importantly, work together. Innovation thrives in an ecosystem that encourages experimentation and tolerates failure as a part of learning. Let this conference be a safe and inspiring space where ideas may be shared freely, partnership may be forged, and long-term collaboration can begin. I hope that over the course of 2 days, these workshops and discussion will identify pressing clinical challenges, explore feasible technological solutions, build networks that extend beyond this conference, and develop actionable roadmaps for transformation research. Let this Med Engage become not just an annual event, but a movement on that continuously bridges the gap between clinical insight and engineering excellence. Also, before I conclude, I would like to again request the stakeholders, especially the NIT, Nagaland, Manipur, and the dental college, and also our site of medical college. We need to prepare for the future. And that future is, as we talk about AI, maybe medical innovations, biomedical research. So we have to keep working in, not in silos, but in collaborations. And at the end of my this speech, again I'd like to thank the organizers, especially the NIT and Manipur and Nagaland and our dental college, for again giving this thought-provoking conference and also the theme. And we are here to go forward. With these words, I thank once again everyone present here for your patience hearing. Let's have a very fruitful conference. Thank you. Jai Hind.